When we talk about plants, we almost invariably think about flowering plants, like this one, a coleus. However, 1/3 of plants don't make flowers at all. 1/3 of plants don't even make seeds. They make dust-like spores. But when we talk about gardening, we are always talking about flowering plants. There are two major groups of flowering plants, monocots and dicots. Let's talk about this one since we're looking at it. This is a dicot. It has flowers that protect the seeds, which are developing inside of these flowers. The leaves have branched venation. Okay, this is an adaptation for using water more efficiently. And now let's look over here. These are examples of monocots. They have a parallel venation and they also make flowers and seeds, but typically when we think of our grasses, they don't have really significant showy flowers. Most monocots developed with wind pollination as a strategy for reproduction. So the adaptation for a flower is not really necessary. They're not trying to attract pollinators. These are our citrus trees, and I just want to show you because they're moving right along in their development process. These flowers, you can see the stigma and the stamen. And then over here, you can see how the fruit develops right at the base there. That is the ovary, and there's a little bug there. I'm not sure what that is. But essentially, the flower and the reproductive organs of the flower are what protect the seed for future generations. This is a major advancement that has led to the great diversity in the plant kingdom. Of course, this is the final product. We're making limes here. And on this tree, we have some finished lemons. And we have 3 trees here because cross-pollination is important for germination, or for fertilization among different plants. These citrus trees go outside in the summer, but right now they're inside because they cannot tolerate the intense cold of the winters in Colorado. These geraniums I also bring in the winter, and they are easy to clone and reproduce. And these grasses here stay in a shady environment at all times. They go out to my front porch. These geraniums go out into a full sun environment.